Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's one we are going to make a deep in protein condition. Okay, this is gonna help you to moisturize, bring back the moisture, and also help to grow out your hair as well. So if you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. So right now I am trying to separate my egg yolk from my egg white. We only need the egg yolk, we don't need the egg white. Okay, so after this I will add my mayonnaise. I use just 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Okay, like do your hair treatment according to the volume of your hair. Then I add honey as well. Honey is amazing for hair growth, and also it helps to nourish your hair as well. So I added all these three amazing natural ingredients together, and this is what we have. After I've mixed it, we're going to use this as a dip in treatment. Okay, protein dip in treatment. It helps to egg helps to grow out your hair. Okay, and also mayonnaise and honey is for to bring back the to put moisture. Honey is for putting back moisture to your hair. So I'm just going to mix all this together. I did not put any oil. Okay, so I only added these three ingredients, and this is what we have after I have mixed it for a while. I love the consistency of this. It's not too watery, it's not too thick. I am done washing my hair. I did a hot oil treatment. Okay, I did a hot oil treatment, so now I want to do a deep condition on my hair, and I'll show you guys how I apply it on my hair. This is what my hair looks like. So let's go and bring it. I left it in the fridge for it to be cooling, so let's bring it and apply it on my hair. Because of the egg, you cannot just leave egg outside, and mayonnaise and everything. Alright, let me go bring it. So love, this is what the recipe looks like. It's still having that same consistency I had when I made it in the first time, because right now I just brought it out from the fridge. Okay, so I'll be working with this. I'm going to section my hair, and I start from the back of my hair. I'll apply it. Please do this inside your bathroom because it was quite a bit messy. Okay, so I add these three ingredients together, and my hair felt so soft, so fluffy. Okay, so this is gonna help you to pull back the protein you have lost. I just finished a hair growth challenge. Okay, so I always treat my hair anytime I do anything challenges or I carry my hair for a long time. So in this day my hair actually shed, so I wanted to put back moisture, protein, and help to stop hair loss as well. So that is why I did this treatment. So I'm just going to apply it from the roots to my hair to the tips to my hair. I apply and I detangle as I go. I hope you will try this recipe on your hair. Okay, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here in my channel I try natural ingredients to help you to grow out your hair. Suffering from alopecia, thin edges, bald spot, I am here to assist you. Okay, because I'm also having the same issue, and I'm also using my hair as an experiment to grow out my edges and my hair length and the rest. So check out any of my challenges for hair length. Okay, so I'll keep on doing this. Keep on watching, guys. So loves, I am done putting this all over my hair. The remaining one, I make sure I pour it on my hair so that everything can marry together. After this, I will cover my hair with a plastic bag. Okay, that's the reason why I said I love using plastic bag, because it's disposable. I can throw it away. And yeah, I will wait for like 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like, and we'll rinse it out, and I'll give you guys my final thought and my final review. If you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like the video, share it, and kindly watch it to the end. Okay, love, so that you don't miss out on any tips I have to share at the end of the video. Guys, 30 minutes it's over. I have to wash the hair. Like yo, this is it. So I'll wash my hair and I will shower because it's all over my body, and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like after. So I'll be using cold water to rinse my hair, because it has egg. Okay, so you cannot use hot water or warm water so your hair don't cook. So use cold water to rinse it out of your hair. Don't worry, it's going to rinse out. You just have to pour it like 3-4 times before your hair is finally rinsed out. Okay, so that's what I did. I rinse out my hair, then I will add my normal condition to my hair, and after this I will tell you guys the next step. So loves, I noticed that when I was combing my hair, I did not have any hair shed. Why? Because of the treatment we did. I said something about it helps to strengthen your hair. If your hair is weak, use this combo together. It's gonna help you to strengthen your hair. So after I did the treatment, now I'm just trying to detangle my hair by using my normal condition. Then I'll comb back to my hair. My hair did not fall. Normally my hair will have, maybe you see like some drops of hair and the rest, but you can see from the comb there is no hair fall in the comb, which is so awesome. Try this recipe out and you'll be amazed by it. As you can see, there's no hair in that comb. Yeah, so try the recipe out, okay? Condition my hair. I'm going to leave it to set. So I want to bath. When I'm done bathing, I'll show you guys what my hair looks like, because I'll rinse it as I'm showering. So I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. Yeah. So guys, I am done. This is what my hair looks like. I just removed it, and yeah, I love the consistency of my hair. I love how my hair feels right now. It feels so soft and all. So I'm going to be doing a treatment, okay, in my next video. Please do well to check it out. If you're watching this extent, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your thought, leave your comment, and I'll see you all in my next one. Like, yeah, this will really make my hair super soft, and I love it. All right, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.